Hello guys, welcome to our page. I hope you already liked, subscribed and shared our page. So without wasting any time, we are going to start the new example from the exercise 11.1 which we had started in the previous video. So if you are new to our page, you can watch that video from the link which is given in the description. Now today we are going to consider the question number 2 from the same exercise 11.1, which is given like this. Mrs. Kaushik has a square plot with the measurements as shown in the figure. So some measurements are given in the figure. We will see that later on, but first we'll consider the example. What are the given things? She wants to construct a house in the middle of the plot. Okay, so suppose I will consider one rectangular box which is considered to be house which was built by that Mrs. Kaushik. So obviously it is rectangular because measurements are given like this: 15 meter, 20 meter. So two different sides are there. That means it is a rectangular in shape. So that house is rectangular in shape but plot is square. A garden is developed around the house. So whatever be the remaining area outside of that house, in that area garden is developed by Mrs. Kaushik. Now some dimensions are given for the garden. It's obviously it is square, so each side is of 25 meter. Each side is of 25 meter. So this is the dimension of that garden. Now we have to find the total cost of developing this particular garden around the house at the rate of rupees 55 per meter square. So to develop that garden, the costing is rupees 55 for 1 meter square area. So for that purpose, in order to find out that total cost or to develop that garden, first of all we should find out the area of that garden. Now how to find out the area of that garden? Before finding out the area of garden, first I am going to find out the area of square plot, because the dimensions of the plot are given square plot whose side is 25 meter. So we know that the formula for area of the square is side square, and here side is 25 meter, so therefore it is considered as 25 meter square. Okay, now again we have to take the product of 25 into 25, which will be obviously 625 meter square. Obviously 625 meter square. Now we are going to find out the area of the house. Okay, so area of the house, what will be the area of house? So now house is rectangular in shape, so we are going to use the formula length into breadth. So here suppose length is 15 meter, breadth is 20 meter, or breadth is 15 meter, length is 20 meter. It doesn't matter, it is going to be commutative property. So 15 to the 30 and add that 10 in front of that 30, so we will get that area as 300 meter square. Now we have to find out the remaining area. That means area of the remaining portion, which is nothing but the area of garden, which is to be calculated. So in order to calculate the area of garden, I am going to take the subtraction of two areas. Which two areas? First I am going to take the area of square plot, which will be subtracted from area of the house, which will be subtracted from area of the house. So just put down the values in this formula. 625 minus 300, which will be 325 meter square, which will be the area of the garden, and we have to find out the cost to develop the garden whose area is 325 meter square. So the cost is given rupees 55 per meter square. So total cost to develop that garden will be 325 into 55, and that product will be rupees 17,875, which will be the total cost to develop the area or develop the garden whose area is 325 meters square, and that cost will be 17,875. So in this way, with the help of formulas of area for square and for rectangle, we are able to find out the total cost to develop that particular garden. So for today, this is it. So in order to get the updates about the next video from us, you have to like, subscribe and share our page, and also you have to press the bell icon so you will get updates in the future. Again, thanks for watching the video. Have a nice day.